Hey guys, this is Everything Like Anna 2 here, and this is going to be Fire Alarm System Task 17, so let's get started. So anyway, a lot of changes are made in the system in panel 2. As you can see, you have an LED display in the panel, and that's because of these latching relays right here, these ones over here. I got 24 volt ones that don't take much current, but these do take a lot of current, and on the reset coil. And what happens is that the LCD display random characters after a reset. So I have a temporary display right here, which is an LED display, 2 digits, 7-sided display to that, and I just put paper around the cover the background a little bit, but yeah, but that's some 24 volt ones coming. So this is 24 volt supervisory board. So yeah, and go 3 because yeah, I'm the NAC encoder. NAC coder actually. So yeah, there it is. Got the LNG one. We got a notifier LNG one. Ours is new on the system. Well, look at that. All over here. Yep, the smoke detector is now on the ceiling. This is a Simplex 498 9601 smoke detector with a nice 9877 base, I think. I have ordered some couplings for that, so those will be covered anyway on the next test. So yeah. So it's definitely for electric, you can tell. And it's working too, it's flashing. So yeah. There's that. We got Siemens UMMT still up here. It's set to high-low, but since it's gonna be doing code through in the panel, so I'm gonna be doing the high tone of the high-low. The remote nut or indicator. The detector like usual, and the STR exceeder. We like exceeder SCR as usual as well. We'll be testing the detector today. We have a Simplex 4251-21 nut seeder, and we got a Potter SH1224W, which is only set to strobe only. It's the strobes only used only. It's a horn strobe, but it's a strobes only used only, and it's at the 50 candela. We have a Simplex 2098 9201 with the I think the 9211 base. No, yeah, 9211 base. Yeah. So let's activate the Simplex detector. The other one, this one over here, the 289201. There it goes. A2 means alarm zone 2. Therefore, LCD will display the full description as well. But anyways, we got a temporary display as of now. We now have 4 wireable silence. Strobes are flashing. An activated detector over there. You can see that. 9201. So let's reset. Okay. We'll do the BNG. We'll do the LNG1R. Here we go. Here we go. That's that. Reset that. If I notify keys here. There we go. I'll reset it here like this. Okay, reset. And we'll reset the panel. Okay. Now we're going to do the 4989601 smoke detector, which I have put on the ceiling. So you can see that. Now this does have a magnet test. I think I forgot where it is. I think that little line, I think it is. I'm not really sure. Could be past the light, I think. Sometimes it flashes to do a chamber check. There it goes. Alarm zone 1. You can see that. So that's it by the annunciator. Okay. Realign. Alright. That's activated, you can see that. So now, look at the pulsation. Okay, or is it the annunciator? Okay. So now I'm going to put the continuous, so that's just the ULMT is going to do the full high-low instead. So I'll do that. Get this off. Set the decoder. We're going to put continuous. Okay. That's going to do the full high-low. Now, back here like this. Okay. Alright. Now, we're going to go ahead and activate the heat detector. So we'll do that. Here we go. I'll point it right at the indicator here. So there we go. Ow, that's loud. Oh, crap, that was loud. Holy crap. Okay, I have an alarm in zone 3. That's the heat detector in the restroom. That is so loud. Holy crap. Where's my eardrums? See, auto resets, lights aren't on anymore. There's actually a relay in the box, which switches on this little indicator. So, yeah. Here's the annunciator on silence. There's the power strobe, or horn strobe. Horn strobe that's used as a horn strobe. Okay. I'm going to reset. Okay. I think that's it. So that concludes this test. So yeah. Thank you for watching, and hope you guys liked it.